By supporting the start strategy and not choosing to defunding the police, it's like actually forgiving people that actually apologize because they not mean it, ladies and gentlemen. It seems like we open another opportunity to these incidents to be happen again and again, again and again. So as opposition, as the leader of opposition, we didn't give any more chance to the police itself because they deserve this as a punishment in name of police officer, ladies and gentlemen. That's why as a opposition, we prefer to defunding the police itself. Before going to argument, firstly I want to serve you 2 points of rebuttal towards the government bench. First, they says address the issue of the police brutality. We believe that, ladies and gentlemen, that actually not convincing enough because like there is a proof there's George Floyd that actually died because of this kind of police, and not only him, ladies and gentlemen. Meanwhile, this media actually already spot the police officer because of the death of this kind of George Floyd that killed him. But the case of police kill the black people actually still continue in the end of the day. So I believe that panels the proof, the mechanism that the government bench is not convincing yet because there is nothing, there is no agreement, there is no rules that are actually really legal to doing that. Secondly, they says a police racist is not reflects all the police. Yes, actually it is not. But how can you build and how can you build this social trust itself? The society's trust to the police is already gone when all of these nightmares are fully happen because of them. So I believe that the trust that they expect from the society is not gonna coming back, and the the statement that they give is actually really unacceptable, ladies and gentlemen. Come to my argument. As a opposition, we proudly to defund the police itself, ladies and gentlemen, because we think in here we live on situation where racism is actually contain violence, that genuinely endanger, making the society feel insecure. There is no security, there is nothing safe at all, ladies and gentlemen, since this kind of police are doing violence and making a lot of people die, ladies and gentlemen. So as a position, why we think this is really justified to defund the police? Firstly, police is no longer save us instead of only scare us. You can see the situation when George Floyd are gonna die. The police are threatening him, all people scared to see that, ladies and gentlemen. John Blake are actually die by 7 shot, and we think in here 7 shot is not really necessary, right? For we do believe that this police actually really insane. Like I we this the society are not gonna believe to them anymore. There is no trust from the society anymore, ladies and gentlemen. And police says the Jacob Blake are deserves shot 7 times when he didn't do any physical contact to the police. We think in here this is actually really unfair. Jacob Blake didn't do anything, didn't do a physical contact. Jacob Blake didn't punch the police, but police are suddenly shot this kind of Jacob Blake in seven bullet. We think in here this is actually really unacceptable as a human, ladies and gentlemen, moreover as a black people. Secondly, the trust issue are already gone. Society are disagree to give second chance. Because they actually feel uncomfortable already. So how possible they will be trust to the police anymore, even if the mechanism that the government give is address the issue of police brutality. Maybe they're gonna reduce the weapon, the officer. But ladies and gentlemen, the thing that actually broke is their behavior, ladies and gentlemen. The police behavior itself, the police decide, ladies and gentlemen. So I believe that there is no longer trust from the society itself. Lastly, why we think that it is justified to defunding the police. The thirdly is it is actually the punishment for the police itself, ladies and gentlemen. Why we think that? Because everything has cause and effect, ladies and gentlemen. It is unfair if the actor didn't get anything, while they cause a lot of victims that simply die because of this kind of racism itself, ladies and gentlemen. I think it is actually fair play to defunding the police, ladies and gentlemen, rather than we kill the police as much as they kill us, ladies and gentlemen. It's actually simple, right? We only defunding the police, ladies and gentlemen. The actually punishment that they deserve, ladies and gentlemen. We don't kill the police as much as they kill us, ladies and gentlemen. So we believe that this is actually a good mechanism if we defunding the police as a punishment for them, ladies and gentlemen. And the last burden of proof is why we think choose police officer not on majority. For example, like government says Asia, they're gonna mix the police officer. There is Asian, there is black people, maybe and a little of white people, and so on and so on. It's not, we believe that it is actually not create trust. Why? Because we already see many influencers are not black people. Many citizen society that not black people are actually joining the demonstration. They actually in charge on doing the protest itself. That show that they also cannot believe on their own people. They cannot believe on even to their own police, ladies and gentlemen. So we believe the panels, the black people is only looking for the equality itself, only looking for the security itself, ladies and gentlemen. They actually doing this as a revenge, but actually this is okay because the police already did so much thing, a lot of nightmare to the black people itself. They're not feeling safe at all, ladies and gentlemen. Even if you push, even if you force, you forcing the police is gonna change, like police officer minimize the officer and the weapon, and there is a camera to record the evidence brutality, address the issue, and so on and so on. So I believe panels, it is not really impact to the society itself. Society are not feeling safe at all to the police anymore, ladies and gentlemen. So I think there is actually useless if we still pushing, if we still forcing this kind of police to still work, ladies and gentlemen. So as a position, we believe that panels, the society safety, society security are the thing that actually more important, because they have right to live in safe place, feeling comfortable, feeling safe, and feeling peaceful, ladies and gentlemen. So I believe that it is nothing wrong, because no one actually think that police is gonna save them anymore. People are just scared to the police, people insecure. So we think that it is actually better and there is no harm from doing this kind of defunding the police. So we, as the opposition, we probably oppose this motion. Thank you.